Do you know if you can crawl over from the front of this bunker to the cover, or do you have to?
I think you can go under. Do we have friendlies in the maze?
Let's find out.
We have friendlies in here. I think now we have one. What the hell? Okay. Okay. We got a broken ground.
Hello.
What the fuck? Yeah, chill out. Perfect. Don't tell me to run. I'm not fast.
Is this yours?
No, but I'm missing a mag. I'll hold on to it. I'm missing a tan mag over there. That poison apple. So I'll just hold on to the med kit and turn it into lost and found.
There's one below the satellite on the right side.
Do you have any? No, not here. Not now. Oh shit. I shot at a guy. Then I ran out of ammo and then he saw me.
You have a banana forger.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Is that 3D printed?
See.
Bueno.
Oh yeah, they're still there. Try to get it. I wasn't in full. Peek your head.
I don't know what
Peek
I'm
it.
gonna do because I
Peek
don't
it.
know very high up.
I think the truck is clear.
There's one right behind the bunker with the styrofoam cloth on the left side.
Yeah, I see him. Is truck?
Go for it.
Come on, Deadpool, you will survive. What the fuck?
Nobody moved up.
There's a guy right there.
They're everywhere. I feel like if I try to move, I'm gonna get shot
All right, he's dead.
directly in the face. Does a ricochet count as a kill?
No.
Okay.
Ah, damn it.
Hello, another person.
Oh shit.
Hey, he's got a kill. Boom.
I'm here, friendly, friendly.
They are past us and we claim this is us.
Mine.
Did you get that kill in the bunker to the right? That window?
I don't see him. Oh, I see him.
Got him.
Watch their spawn.
This one was coming back from spawn.
Ah, this stupid netting.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
So you guys can move in and take the flag. Once you guys take the flag, you need to bump back.
Copy. Thank you.
So holler straight across as far as you guys can.
Is
Okay. I just shot that guy.
is it clear or not?
It's not clear. You can pull out of the windows, but I don't think there's.
I'm gonna see if I can get more people, guys.
Yeah, keep your head down. There's one in the bunker to your front.
I see him.
Hey! Good luck.
I know. Red, move up! Hit!
That's my bad. I didn't realize you were red.
We need a push-up. I got 4 of that, 3 of them or something like that. Truck is clear.
I've gotten 3 confirmed.
I'm out of ammo. I got a refill.
Oh, Logan, no.
I'm out of ammo.
Truck is clear.
Sorry, I'm back in the spawn again.
What are we doing?
Just holding down the end over here so they can't get in.
Truck is clear. We need to pull their flag over there.
Move up and I'll cover.
Next one. Whoever that was.
Can I get a, oh yeah? Oh, phone block, phone block. Outside the left, phone block.
What if we just pick up the foam block and
Hey, good shot, good shot.
Where'd that come from?
left?
Between the double stack gun post and Valhalla building. Yeah, I see it. See the arm at least, I think. If you can tell what's next, shout it out.
Oh, hit.
Oh,
Go. Don't hit me, don't hit me.
this was a moment of awkwardness. Hit!